Yeah, this is chapter 11, lesson 2. It says solve capacity problems. Remember, a container, the capacity is how much does it take to fill up that container. Look at the example. It says Emily used 240 milliliters. Now, what's the symbol for the milliliters? What's the letters? ML. So lowercase m and then capital L. Those are milliliters. If I just have the letter L, those are liters. Okay. So Emily used 240 milliliters of lemon juice and 960 milliliters of water to make lemonade. How many milliliters of lemonade will she make? So add and find out. Well, let's find that out. It says add 240 plus 960. Okay, 240 plus 960. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6? 10. I put the 0 down, then I carry the 1. 2 plus 9 is 11 plus the 1 that I carried? 12. Okay, so if I add 240 plus 960, I get 1,200. So she'll make 1,200 milliliters. So the unknown is 1,200 milliliters. So Emily will make 1,200 milliliters of lemonade. That's a lot. So example number 2 says now the total capacity of 8 pitchers is 24 liters. So the total of all these is 24 liters. What is the capacity of each pitcher if each has an equal amount of lemonade? So they told you to find the unknown, 24 divided by 8, right? Or 8 times what equals 24, right? So what's 24 divided by 8? Or 8 times what gives me 24? 3 does. So there are 3 liters in each pitcher. So there should be 3 here, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Or another way to do that is if I just put a tally in each one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then how many in each picture? How many in each picture? How many in each picture? 3, right? I just put 3 tallies in each one. So that means there are 3 liters in each pitcher. So the unknown is 3. And how do I check my work? Well, I do a multiplication problem. If I have 24 divided by 8 equals 3, I check by doing inverse operation. Okay, 8 times 3 equals 24. So look at example number 3. It says Dylan is helping his dad wash the car. His dad filled up 2 buckets with soapy water and 2 buckets with clean water. The capacity of each bucket is 9 liters. What is the total capacity of the 4 buckets? So first of all the buckets have 9 liters each, right? So that's what they told you. So 9 liters here, 9 liters here, 9 liters here, 9 liters here. And they wanted to find 4 times 9. Okay, 4 times 9. What's 4 times 9 then? That's a fact that we know. 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. So there are 36 liters of water in the buckets altogether. Look at the guided apprentice. It says write an equation with a symbol for the unknown. Okay. Then solve. Says find the total capacity of the liquid shown in the container. Total. So what operation do I have to use? If I want the total for both of them. Well, if I have 150 on one container, and it looks like it's between 150 and 120 and 100. So it's and then I have 125 on the other container, but I want to find the total of both of them together. What operation am I using? Operation. Am I using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division?
Addition.
Addition. Yes, because I need to find what's the total for all of them, for all of these, for this all together. So I have 150 plus, what's between 50 and 100? Halfway?
125.
125 plus 125 equals, and then it says write an equation with a symbol. I'm just put a square right here. I don't know that. And then it tells me to solve it. Well, let's solve it. So 150 plus 125. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So if I add all those together, I get how much again?
275.
275. 275 milliliters. I gotta make sure that I add that. See, there's milliliters right here. There's milliliters there. And number 2 says Peyton's tea kettle holds 2 liters or 2,000 milliliters. Let's go with 2,000 milliliters because she uses only 350 milliliters of water for a cup of tea. How much water is left in the kettle? Now, what operation am I going to use here? Here's the key word. How much is left? So, for number 2, what operation are we going to use? Subtraction. So I need to subtract 2,000 minus 350. So here's my equation with my symbol. Now let's subtract that. Let me use some red. So 2,000 minus 350. 0 minus 0?
0.
Yep, I could do that. That's a 0, by the way. 0 minus 5?
5.
How can I take away 5 from nothing? I can't. I have to borrow. Can I borrow from the 0 on the left?
No.
I have to borrow from the 2. That makes it a 1. The 1 to borrow goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. So 0 minus 5, can I do that still?
No.
No. So I have to borrow from the 10. That makes it a 9. The 1 to borrow goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. Now I have 10 minus 5. Can I do that? Yes, which is 5. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So 2,000 minus 350 is 1,000. Or just write it right here. 1,650. That's the answer. So look at number 3. It says write an equation with a symbol for the unknown, then solve it. So number 3 says find the total capacity of the liquid shown in the containers below. So go and do that. So again, 3 says find the total capacity of the liquid shown in the containers below. All right, write an equation. So it says find the total. I'm going to add. Right. Obviously, the big container, the one that's filled up all the way almost to the top, that's 100. Okay. Now I have the other container. The level of the water is between two numbers, right? So it's between 60 and 40. So what's between 60 and 40? 50, because it's halfway. It's halfway. So I need to add 50 plus 100, which is 150. So 150 milliliters. Make sure you write
milliliters. M, lowercase m, and capital L. Okay. However, number 4 says how much liquid will be left if you pour out 250 milliliters. So it looks like between 1,000 and 800, that's 900. So this is 900. But then it's between 900 and 800. Okay, that would be 850. So you have 850. When it says how much left, what operation am I going to use? Subtraction. Subtract 250. So I got 850 minus 250. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5? 0. 8 minus 2? 6. So 850 minus 250 is 600. So how much liquid will be left? 600 milliliters, correct. So now look at 5. It says if you equally pour this liquid into 3 containers, okay, how much liquid would be in each container? So what's between 40 and 20? 30, right? 30. Have I divided into how many containers? 3. Obviously, I'm going to use division. So then how much it would be in each container? 30 divided by 3. 10. Excellent. Very nice. You did tell me. I forgot to put milliliter. Number 6 says the capacity of one pitcher shown. Okay. So what's the capacity of just one pitcher? How much is in there? 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter, right? Because it says 1 liter here and 1,000 milliliters. Okay. So what is the capacity in liters of 2 pitchers?
2 liters.
So obviously you'll have 2 liters or 2,000 milliliters. Do you have more if I have 2 liters than 2,000 milliliters, or it's the same? It's the same. Okay? You're just using bigger numbers if you use milliliters compared to just 2 liters, which the numbers are not that big.